Okay, I think it started. All right, you there, Will?
I'm here.
Okay, thanks for helping me out today, buddy. I really appreciate it. And
Anytime.
Will's computer doesn't have a camera, so we can't see Will do what he's going to have to do. But the idea is that we're going to go through the process of assigning a fixed seat or a user account to a user in Enscape. And I know there's been some consternation and confusion about this. So we're just going to start from scratch. Will can't even use Enscape right now, if I understand correctly.
Nope.
Okay, so this is a real world thing. So the first thing I want you to do is you got your web page open there, and you're going to create a Chaos account. And most of my customers have, let me tell you where to go. Sorry. So go to my.chaos.com. We'll get this started. There you go. Look at those typing skills. Okay. Most of my customers don't have the complexity of installing server-side infrastructure to manage it or have VPN access. So we're going to do what the majority, probably 90 to 95% of my Enscape customers are going to do. You're going to create a new account, and at the top underneath sign in, you create an account. I'm going to kind of walk you through this.
Sure.
You know what? The thing is, I would recommend creating an account with your work email.
Mm-hmm.
And my understanding is if that changes in the future, you would just create a new account. So go ahead and do that. And we won't look at your password. I'll block this out and post.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, just go ahead and, there you go. So it's created this email address is already assigned to an account.
Is that because I have an Enscape account already?
If you had an Enscape account, it was already migrated to a Chaos account. Okay, so that's okay. For someone that has an Enscape account, this is a good data point. If someone has an Enscape or had an Enscape account, it's migrated to mychaos.com, and you would just log in with your username and password. So do you remember what that username and password is?
That's a good question. Let's see if he'll just sign me in. Ooh.
Wow, it's okay. It's not you.
No.
Okay, so you forgot your password. So let's go ahead and do that.
That's the ringer.
Yeah. No, thanks. Don't save it. Back to the real world. And I'll block out your email.
Oh, sure.
If you want, so go ahead and open up your email tool, click on the link to reset your login.
East Coast characters.
Yeah, technical difficulty, but it's the real world. That's why even though the process is simple, it's complicated because it's different and people are busy. And it's like, really, I got to do something else. I got 10 easy things. I got 20 easy things to do today. Now I got 21 easy things to do. So.
Okay, so back to login. Do that. And there we go.
Okay, so you have a Chaos account, right? So I'm going to go to my admin panel. I'm going to switch the screen share to me, and I'm going to go through the process of what I would do, right? So let me go to share now, and I'm going to share this window. All right, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so let me go to, I'm presenting. Let me go to my sign-in page on Chaos. So you can see this?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm the admin, right? I'm going to select that, and then select sign in. And I want to go to the organization tab. I know I've got active products. I don't care about the other stuff right now. And I've got users. As you can see, gains is down here. Mm-hmm. And I've got products. I can't assign a product to you until you are a user. So the first thing I'm going to do is invite a user. So it's WILIAM@readthomas.com. And I'm going to assign you or select your role as a member. A member, from what I understand, is for someone that's inside your organization. They don't have their own licenses or cloud credits or anything like that. If you are outside the organization, let's say, it's a big architecture firm and they work with a consultant that periodically uses V-Rate, they would probably invite them as a guest. And then that guest would use the organization's license or cloud credits. But I'm just going to invite you as a member. Okay, so you're going to get an email now
Gotcha.
that asks you to come to the organization or to be part of the organization. Okay, and let me know once you accept that invite.
Join organization, accept.
Okay, and I'm actually going to open. You're still looking at my screen.
Yep.
Can you see my email? Let's see here. Chaos. Okay, it says, hello, Phil Reed. William has joined your organization. Okay, good. That's what you want to see. So I'm going to refresh the organization page. And I see there is Will Herndon. Okay. There's an option here to allocate product to user. You don't want to do that. You want to go up to your products tab and assign a product. And I'm going to do this manually. And there's Will, and continue with one user. And I'm going to allocate Enscape, floating license pool, continue, and click on that and continue. There's a lot of clicky here. So you have access to this product from me as the admin. Got it. Okay. So now let's go back to you and share your screen. And let's download and install Enscape 4.1.
Presenting. Can you see that?
Okay, so refresh this page. I want to see what happens because you're already logged in, and from this login or from this user account page, you can download anything that you have access to. So that's showing you that you have access to the floating licenses. And let's go to support, and I believe that's where you download Enscape. It's just too confusing. Let's go to a web search for Enscape or download Enscape. Let's see what you get. There we go.
Download.
Okay, and 4.1 is here because the thing is, you're already signed into your account. So when it asks you to sign in, I don't think you'll need to.
Yeah, I'm already signed in here.
Okay, so is it, no, you don't have to sign in. Oh, log in to download the latest version. You see that underneath the blue button?
Yes.
Yeah, click on that and see if it already, there you go. So you're going to download this for Windows. Yeah, we already know that. That's why we're doing this. Go ahead and just select proceed. And that'll download to your local computer. And you've already got, what are you using it with? Revit primarily or SketchUp?
Revit, yes.
Okay, so what we'll do is after you've downloaded Enscape to your local machine, let's go through the install process where we can all see what you are seeing.
Gotcha.
So did you just share your window or did you share your entire screen?
My screen. Okay,
good. Yeah, so we should be able to see that. So if you want to, I don't know where the file has been downloaded, but
after right here.
Where's it at? I don't see it on your screen.
On the upper right, recent download history.
Okay, there you go. So let's double click on that. And let's see if it opens up the Enscape window.
Yes.
Okay, good. Thanks, Will. You're doing great. Okay, so click, next, right? Accept it, next. Okay, install, that's fine. Now this is going to go through the install process. And when we get to the end, don't click through too fast because it's going to ask you to log in. Now you already logged in, so I don't know what it's going to do. Okay, here we go. Sign in. So select sign in. Ta-da! We did it. Oh, thanks, Will. So now we don't have to do it now. We can wrap this up. But what's going to happen is when you open Revit and open Enscape, you're going to see 4.1 and it's already authenticated. And that's it.
Awesome.
All right.
That was
Thank you very much.
Oh, yeah.
I really appreciate this. I'm going to have to put this out on the Interverse and hopefully that'll help people
Yeah, fingers crossed. What a weird thing to happen across every license.
Yeah, and the thing is, even though you've installed 4.1,
Mhm.
if you go back and install 4.0, it'll actually still work with with what we've just done. So there you go. All right.
It's great.
Thanks, Will. Take care,
Thanks,
buddy.
man.
All
You
right.
too.
See you tomorrow.
Oh yeah, great to see you.